I'm here with my Dash mini rice cooker and I am making egg drop soup.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
Today is Chinese New Year and I thought it would be fun to make some egg drop soup in my Dash mini rice cooker. So what I have here is 2 cups of homemade chicken broth and I'm bringing it up to a boil. The rice cooker is on cook. Now this chicken broth has not been strained, so there are still little bits of chicken floating around in it, and that's why it looks the way it does. I'm just waiting for this to come up to a boil. It's about 20 minutes later and the chicken stock has come up to a boil. So I'm going to take the cover off, and now I want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Just eyeballing that. I want to add a pinch of sugar, a pinch of salt, some white pepper, and some turmeric. This is actually an optional ingredient, but it gives the soup a really nice yellow color. Also a little bit of flavor. Now we also want to add some cornstarch, about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I don't have a tablespoon of cornstarch. I only have maybe like a teaspoon of cornstarch left. So I'm going to take a teaspoon of cornstarch, dissolve it in a tablespoon of water, and then I'm going to add it to the broth. Here's my cornstarch. I ended up using about 2 tablespoons of water instead, but it's not really going to make a difference. And I'm just going to stir this up and I'm going to drop the cornstarch in. I just don't want it to be lumpy, so that's why I'm stirring it. And this is going to thicken the soup. If you like really thick egg drop soup, you could use more cornstarch than that, and you could also leave it out. I've made this without adding cornstarch. I'm not really a fan of like thick soups and like a cornstarch thickened texture, but I added it now because if I do order like egg drop soup from local Chinese restaurants, it's always thickened with cornstarch. I put the lid back on to bring it up to a boil, and now I'm going to add a handful of scallions that were sliced. So I keep these frozen in my freezer, and then I just take them out and use them as I need them. So I just added some scallions. And the next thing I'm going to add is a beaten egg. So I have a beaten egg here, and I just want to stir this, and I'm going to drop the egg in as I stir this. And this egg drop soup looks really, really good. It smells really, really good. I can't wait to taste it. Here is the beautiful egg drop soup. It looks so good. Let's give it a taste. It's delicious. It needs a little bit more salt. I'm used to it being like super salty when I get it at the local Chinese restaurant. So now let's try it with a little bit more salt. Really good. Yeah, I'm going to definitely enjoy this. And so that's how easy it is to make Chinese egg drop soup in a Dash mini rice cooker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in a Dash mini rice cooker. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.